Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to take a look at my top 5 apps on every Android device. Now this is my old Xiaomi Mi A2 and I've listed these 5 apps where most of them are free, but let's take a look. We have Send Anywhere, we have Snapseed, we have Google One, we have GoPro Quik editing videos, and a VPN app. Now let's open Send Anywhere and see what we can do with this app. Basically, this is an app that allows you to transfer data from your old phone to your new phone if you want to do a data send separately. Now I'm talking about data. For example, you want to transfer only photos, or you want to transfer only videos, or basically you just want to transfer your contacts and don't know how to do that via Bluetooth. So this app allows you to transfer data within two phones, but two phones should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. The other app is Snapseed. Basically this is an app to edit photos. It's the best app out there and it's totally free. Now the third app is Google One. This is an app from Google where you can access and share your photos, documents and more from anywhere, and it's free. Mainly I use this app to do a backup of the phone. As you can see, we can do a backup with only one click. I recommend you pay that extra $1 or $2 depending on your location, but if you pay that, you have some cool benefits and you get 100 gigabytes of storage. The other app is Quik. Basically, this is a free app from the GoPro and it's an app to edit videos. I would recommend you using Adobe Rush, but that comes with a monthly payment for $12 and I don't know if you want to pay $12 or not. So instead of that, you can use Quik. The last app is a VPN app. I recommend you use this one because it's free and it's totally reliable. There are a lot of apps out there, but I use this one. It's a good app. There might be some ads, but you show some support for the creator of this app and look at the ads. Or choose not to and skip them all. Now I'm connected to United States here, as you guys can see. There are a lot of locations where you can choose to connect. Just look, this is a long ad. You can choose this one to see it or just skip it with the back button, and there you go, you are connected. So this was the video guys. Thank you so much for watching and showing support for my channel. I will see you on the next one.